Hi everyone, welcome to Excel tutorial. Today we will talk about data functions and we will practice some functions in data. As you see now today and using data and datedif, we will use them, and also we will do some exercises using these functions. I would like to start from the function now. As you know, all the functions starts with equal. I'm going to place with equal and write the function name. And after that, it will show you also in the list. You can press tab and it will complete it. You don't have to place anything. It's an empty function. You just open the parenthesis and close it and press enter, and it will fill the result directly with the data. As you see, it's today's data is the 10th March 2018, and also tells the time. If you want to see only date, you can write there only today. Today you can press tab and complete, press enter, and it will give the result. So it gives only the date. When we look at another function, date, from the date functions, I would like to write example date 25 of March 2015. Alright, so you write these things in a separated cells, but I want to collect them all in the one cell. For that thing, I'm going to use the data function. Okay, so as you see, it guides you. When you look at there, it asks firstly year, and you select the year, and in the instruction it tells also you have to put a comma, and after that it will make this one selected. It will make it bold because it's looking for the month, and after that I will make a comma and then put the date, and after that press the enter. It will get these all the values and collect them in one date. Okay, and now I'm going to explain you another function in data functions is datedif. Dif stands for the difference. I'm going to write the first date. Let me write there. Example, I will write there the 15 February 2012. Another data will be May 15 May 2017. Okay, now we will find how many months are between these dates. I'm going to place equal and write the datedif, and datedif doesn't show up in the list, so you have to write yourself. And after that I'm going to select the late one and the early one, and after that I'm going to put these apostrophes and then write the initial of the month, day or year. I'm going to look for the months, how many months between these dates. For that reason I'm going to use the initial of the months. It will be M, and I'll press enter. But it tells you a date because its format is the date. I'm going to click over here and make it general, and after that it tells me how many months between these two dates. Okay, I will do the same thing for the days, but firstly I'm going to select these two and make them all general. And after that I'm going to do again quickly datedif, select the first late one and early one, and after that I'm going to look for how many days between them, and here we go. I can copy this and paste there, and after that just write there Y, and it will tell me, wait a minute, D8, oops, I'm going to write there C8 and D8. Alright, and there are 5 years between these years. Alright, now I would like to see for how long I'm living in the world. I'm going to see how many days old I am. Normally we say how many years we old, but I'm going to find how many days, how many hours, and you know, there are a lot of things you can do. I will do this as an exercise. Actually it doesn't make so much sense, but I will do this quickly. I write my birthday, example 02. Actually, I need to start from month 04, 02, and 1988. And after that, I'm going to write the today. I write today. Today is 3rd March 10, 2018. Alright, and I can find how many days old I am by using datedif function. I'm going to write firstly late one, comma, and early one, but I can't select this because of these extended cells. It's also covered the cell. I need to write manually B11, comma, and I'm looking for the days. Here we go. I'm 10,934 days old. And you can also make these hours. Select this one, multiply with 24, and with minutes you can multiply this one with minutes times 60, and the seconds, this one times second, 60 seconds. So I have been living for 1 billion seconds, let's say. Okay, that's it. We have finished our tutorial in this part, and hopefully it was useful to understand the date functions. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in another tutorial.